Yes. Okay. Boom! Oh, a fine music. There. Is he gonna go pew pew to that guy?
No.
Enemy force detected.
It's the red.
Pew to that guy!
It's the red team. He's that ship over there. I'm going to try. Oh, they have
Destroyer sighted.
I'm the wings right now. Why can't you shoot? I am shooting right now. Well, you need to shoot. I got shot right now. You need to shoot. I need to shoot. It's time. Shoot that thing. What is it? It's a plane. Oh. Shoot the plane. Or is it bird? Or is it cuckoo kangaroo? It's a bird. It's a bird. It's a cuckoo kangaroo. I really want to see this video on your channel when you release this. Okay. This is Luke Nealis. I live at Smith Elementary. My full name is Luke James Nealis. Come see me. Oops. Wait, what? Oh, wait, what? What? Wait, what? Oh, I got a hit. I got a big hit. Who's shooting at me? Oh, I need to go for this guy. Look at these wheels.
Torpedoes dead ahead. Our team is taking the lead.
Winner!
Torpedoes astern.
Doesn't make any sense.
Shoot it! I am shooting it! Shoot it! It doesn't look like you're shooting. Oh, you're shooting it. Well, you're not shooting it. Shoot it! Why won't you shoot it? I am shooting it. Where's the shooting it? And what is that? You can't even. How is it a plane? It's just a little bar screen.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It's a bird. It's a plane. It's cuckoo kangaroo. It's a bird. It's a plane. It's cuckoo kangaroo. It's a bird. It's a plane. It's a cuckoo kangaroo. Okay, I'm trying this out. Nobody's mighty strong. Meow, meow. Nobody's mighty strong. Meow, meow. Nobody's mighty strong. Meow, meow. Nobody's mighty strong. I just forgot that you're still doing a video. Reloading guns. What is it? Oh, there's an enemy right there. Can it see my hand now?
Yes.
Why?
Wait.
If I put it here, how can it not see my hand? Oh, these are probably important. I'm making it do slow mo. Oh. Okay. That's a big ship. Oh, what's this? No, the red's the down is blue. The down is blue. It was blue.
It's not even a blue thing in the game.
You just said it's a blue team.
That's green.
Where? So you're blowing out green? Then what are those little red things?
Those are the enemies.
Then why are they red? Why not they green?
I don't know. I'm not the game master. I didn't develop the game.
I'm not the game developer. at these views. This is overheating. Yep. Okay, I'm just going to do spikings. I'll do that, huh?
What do you want? Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and that like button.
And eat some cereal. Bye, guys.